Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the so-called associative arrays abstract data types, so let's get started. Okay, so the associative arrays or maps or dictionaries are abstract data types. We have been talking about abstract data types before, such as stacks, queues, priority queues, and so on. So basically it is the same. It contains the specification only without the concrete implementation. And it is composed of a collection of key value pairs where each key appears only once in the collection. So here we have a key value pair. We would like to associate a value to each key. So most of the times we implement associative arrays with hash tables, but binary search trees can be used as well. And okay, why is it good? We have been talking about linked lists, we have been talking about binary search trees. We have come to the conclusion that okay, sometimes the binary search tree can become unbalanced, and that's why AVL trees and red-black trees came to be. So why do we have to talk about other data structures? Because the aim is to reach the order 1 constant time complexity for most of the operations. Okay, we have been talking about the logarithmic time complexity running time for all the operations of an AVL tree or red-black tree, but we can do better, and this is the constant time complexity that we are after. So what are the supported operations as far as associative arrays are concerned? We would like to add key value pairs to the collection. We would like to remove key value pairs from the collection. We would like to update existing key value pairs. And we would like to look up of a value associated with a given key. This is the so-called search operation. And what's very important, that associative arrays do not support sorting operations. And basically this is why associative arrays and dictionaries can be replaced by more advanced abstract data types, because for most of the cases we definitely want to use sorting. So the associative arrays for hash maps, for example, do not support the sorting operation. There is no order defined between these key value pairs. So that's all about the associative array abstract data type. Thanks for watching.